Hey y'all, welcome to Small Town Kitchen. Tonight we're going to be making pasta salad. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to boil your pasta noodles, and I'm using the tricolor rotini. You can use the regular kind, but this gives it just a little bit of extra color. Alright, so while we're waiting our water to come to a boil, I went ahead and cut up some pepperoni into like bite-sized pieces. Alright, now our water is boiling, so we're going to pour our noodles in. Alright, our noodles are done, so we're going to drain them. Make sure I don't burn myself. We'll put it in our bowl. Now this is where it gets so easy. You add your pepperoni that you cut up. And the main part of the recipe is Italian dressing. Now I love the Olive Garden brand, but you can use whatever brand you want to. Of course. I never measure it, so we're gonna guess. Just pour it over. It's always good to start out small and then add more if it needs it. And I'm gonna add a little bit more. So that was about a fourth of the bottle, maybe? It's not really half. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to let it chill in the refrigerator for about an hour or so, because it's best eaten when it's cold. So we're going to put it in the fridge for about an hour. Alrighty, so it's been in the fridge for about an hour. And this is what it should look like. Mix it up. And I will add, you can put whatever you want to in the pasta salad. Some people put cucumbers, onions, whatever you like, but this is a simple recipe and it tastes delicious. Alright, so now we're going to try it. But I know it's going to be good. Very good and very simple. If you need to take something to like a potluck or a picnic this summer, I would try this. Alrighty, thank y'all for watching, and if y'all enjoy these type of videos, just make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Bye.